Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you an amazing chicken kofta recipe which is not only quick and easy to make but extremely yummy. A surprise in every bite. This Shahi Kofta curry will make it look like you have spent all day making it. You will see how quickly this dish comes together. If you are ready, let's go. Here I have a pound of chicken which is approximately half kg. We will season this well and I have the full list of the ingredients in the description box below. You can make these koftas and keep them ready a day ahead in the refrigerator. Give a good mix so all the flavors merge. Oil your palms and we will take a small portion, flatten it and place a cashew in the center and seal it well, making it into a ball. Make the rest of them similarly. Now for the main curry. I have sliced the onions and we will saute them until they turn golden brown in color. Add in the ginger garlic paste and cook for a couple of minutes. Add in the cashews and we will saute for just about a minute or so. Turn off the heat and allow this mixture to cool a bit. Add water and blend to a smooth paste. Perfect. We will make the Shahi curry now. Once the oil is heated, we will add in the whole spices and the prepared curry paste. Cook this for 2 minutes on medium flame, stirring continuously so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Add in the rest of the seasonings and spices. Now, the amount of red chili powder depends on how spicy you like, but this dish is not very spicy. Give it a good mix and allow the flavors to merge well. Hit the subscribe button if you like my recipes. You will see the oil separating. Now add in the hot water depending on the consistency you like, but this dish is slightly on the thicker side. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. See how the oil has separated? We will add in the prepared kofta, spacing them at equal distance. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Wow, look at the beautiful color and see how lovely this looks. The Shahi Kofta curry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. Bye.